Samsung washer showing an error code? Here's what every common code means and what to do. For E or 4C, water supply error. The washer isn't getting water. Check that both hot and cold water valves behind the washer are fully open. Check for kinked hoses. If valves are open and hoses are clear, the water inlet valve is faulty. 100 to 200 to replace. 5E or SE, drain error. Water won't drain out. Check the drain filter at the bottom front of the washer. There's a small door, open it and unscrew the filter. You'll find coins, hair ties, lint. Clean it out. If that doesn't fix it, the drain pump is failing. 150 to 250. UE or UB, unbalanced load. The washer can't balance the clothes for spin cycle. Open the door, redistribute the clothes evenly. Don't wash a single heavy item like a comforter alone. Add towels to balance it. SUD or SD, too many suds. You're using too much detergent or using regular detergent in an HE machine. Only use HE detergent. Use about half of what you think you need. Run a rinse and spin cycle to clear the suds. DC, door error. The door isn't latching properly. Check for clothes caught in the door seal. If the door is closed properly and the error persists, the door latch or lock mechanism needs replacing. 100 to 200. NF, no fill. Similar to 4E but specifically means the washer detects no water at all. Usually a supply issue. Hard reset, unplug for 60 seconds. This clears many temporary Samsung errors. Same-day Samsung washer repair. OEM parts. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.